In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write vertical text in Google Sheets and change text direction effectively. Whether you're styling a spreadsheet or organizing data in a creative way, using vertical text can enhance both the appearance and readability of your document. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening Google Sheets in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your Google account to access your sheets. If you haven't created a spreadsheet yet, feel free to do so now by either creating a new one or opening an existing file where you want to apply vertical text. Once you've selected the cell or range of cells where you'd like to apply the vertical text, look towards the top of the screen where you'll see the toolbar. This contains various options for formatting your text and adjusting how it's displayed. Among these options is an icon that looks similar to the letter A with an upward and downward arrow next to it. This is the text rotation tool, and it plays a key role in customizing text orientation. Click on the text rotation tool, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options for rotating your text. These options will allow you to rotate at different angles. For vertical or upward text alignment, look for options that might say rotate up or vertical text, depending on the version of Google Sheets you're using. Upon selecting your preferred option, you'll see the text in your selected cells automatically reorient to match your choice. A helpful tip here, make sure your cell size is adjusted to effectively display the new orientation of your text. Sometimes text can appear cut off if the cell width and height are not suited to the text direction. Simply click and drag on the edges of the cell to resize. You can also use the Format menu at the top of the interface, which offers additional text decoration features such as font size and color if you would like to further customize your vertical text. Remember, the goal is both functionality and style, so don't shy away from trying different combinations to see what works best for your spreadsheet's format. In case you want to revert to the original horizontal orientation or try a different angle, just click the same text rotation tool and select the standard horizontal option from the list. Google Sheets makes it easy to pivot back and forth until you find the orientation that meets your needs. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on writing vertical text in Google Sheets. This feature not only augments the aesthetics of your data presentations, but also fosters a unique method of displaying complex data succinctly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and now you're ready to make your spreadsheets not just more organized, but visually appealing as well.